potatoes. Cheers. Their version of Vanessa.
So we just touched down in Canggu, and compared to Ubud and Uluwatu, it is so much more busy. It's just like really hectic, and there's lots happening, so you have to be very aware of like your surroundings at all times. Yeah, there's like little bikes everywhere and people walking, cars driving, honking, what's going on. But we just pretty much settled in at our Airbnb. We're on our way to go get some massages. Super excited.
Much needed,
Finally
right?
get like a full body massage, really just relax before we go for dinner tonight. Wait a minute, isn't Karina massage the same one we saw in Uluwatu?
Yeah, it's a chain.
Oh,
Yeah.
wow, I didn't even clock into that.
Come on, man. You see the fit ski? You see the fit ski? You see the fit? What am I doing, bro? Kevin and I are taking the ladies out for dinner tonight. First dinner in Canggu. Gonna get a little, get a little turned up. Head on over to dinner. I'll catch you there. Canggu, day 2, Potato Head. What potatoes? About Balinese food is that everything is so well seasoned.
Nice and tender, eh? Not bad, eh?
How is it, bro? It's good.
Light, moist,
Oh,
delectable, brother.
delectable. This is their version of Vanessa Goreng. Ooh la la. We're wrapping up at the day party and I'm cooked, guys. Cooked. Anyway, we're wrapping up. We're gonna head for dinner, which is actually just, the restaurant is up here at Potato Head. It's just, it's in one of the complexes here. So we're gonna finish, clean up, get changed. And this restaurant that we're headed to is known for their sambals. Apparently they have 6 sambals. And we get to try each, kind of like from mild all the way to spicy to, I don't know what they have in store, but Kevin and Leah really loved this place when they came here last year, so we're gonna see what the hype's all about. Get some sambal, see what's up.
like, what the?
If it bangs, I'm taking it back from everyone.
Refund.
Give me my piece back.
So here we have the Japanese fan, and here we have the pistachio, and part of Cav's cookie,
Oh yeah.
aka a cookie and a croissant. Everyone's arguing about the dessert.
Yeah, because look.
Look at my fucking fan, bro. It got ruined.
Well, there's a 40 bean dessert right there.
What is this, bro?
The base came off.
Man, Cass is fucking ass.
How's the potato?
Like, I couldn't cut this.
I meant to say, how's the peanut butter?
Cass going ham. It's going ham. Bro, look at this, bro. Man has 3 things on the
Diabetes.
Hey, bro. Like I said, man, we're gonna start punching each other in two seconds. Just finished a little bit of snorkeling and we're now headed to the restaurant. Ladies, are we hungry?
Starving, very hungry.
So hungry. Chad, hungry?
Famished.
We're right on him.
Thank you, bro. Nusa Penida. And man, honestly, there's too many people here. There's too many people. And our tour didn't allow for us to go downstairs to where the beach is. So it kind of sucks. So we're stuck where just everyone was. You know those posts on Instagram where it's like expectation versus reality? This is one of them. On the way down to the beach, like it's a full parking lot. Tourists, I mean us, just lined along like the place where you can get the views. Jeez Louise, man, it's so hectic. But anyway, we managed to get some footage nonetheless. We're having ice cream now, cooling down, and we'll be on our way back. Back from Nusa Penida, and we're getting tattoos. That's it.
Oh, if I can, yeah.
Oh yeah. Yum.
And in this way you counter tattoo pockets.
Jelly.
Yes, jelly.
Chili.
Red.
Coconut milk. Sticky
rice.
Right.
Sticky
Yes.
rice,
Sticky
yeah.
rice. Oh, green bean porridge.
Okay.
Oh yeah, this coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yes.
Okay.
This Nick.
Oh, condensed milk. Yeah.
Yes. Okay.
Thank you, bro. Thank you.
Okay.
This is what they described as Balinese morning porridge.
Thoughts?
Oh, that is delicious. It's very sweet, very thick, but it's not heavy. Sweet, thick, but not heavy. And it gives you like it tastes like cereal milk, but with sticky rice. And the green beans add like a little texture, like a nice little crunch to it. Overall, I would give this breakfast food, I would give it a solid 8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
Yeah.
With Hendra also.
That'll be a cool ride, eh?
Yeah.
This was happening. Like that?
I just finished my tattoo here with Marcel at loft number 5, and it was a really wonderful experience. Like, he took care of me. We did our geisha for 2 days. He told me to do it in 2 days because if I do it in 1, I'll probably tap out. So, but he gave me very good advice, and his work is amazing. Like, super clean, very good lines, amazing shading, and he does it in a very fast time. Like, he doesn't waste any time. There's no wasted movement, which I'm really happy about. So I just wanted to send a thank you to Marcel for taking care of me, man. Taking care of me, and the guys here at this shop is amazing. So if ever, you're in Canggu, Bali, and you're looking for tattoos, this is a place to be. I'll put Marcel's Instagram here that you can take a look, follow, and if you're ever here, just hit him up.